Another week, another Monday, baby, and you know what that means. It means I'm coming to put a fire in your heart so hot that you can't stand not going after your goals. So remember who the fuck you are. What's your last name? Say that shit 3 times as loud as you can. Your ancestors fought and died to get you here with that name. Live up to it. Make them proud. Anything less is a dishonor to your family name. Don't let that happen. What excuse is it today, you pathetic little cock-riding bitch? Bet you've sat on your phone for 5 hours straight eating literal dog shit. Get the fuck off TikTok and go to the fucking gym before you eat yourself a second stomach.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
We have a 138 in progress. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
The day you started lifting is the day you became forever small, because you will never be as big as you want to be.
So much love that the whole thing feel like a lie. I need nobody. I don't need nobody.
Not me putting makeup on when I'm just about to go to the gym. Guilty.
Oh, you smell nice.
Creep. Ooh, she the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. Excuse me, sorry, will you just take a photo of me, please? I've just got the sickest upper body pump.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, perfect. Ready? Perfect, thank you.
Take that dick when you turn. In my own lane, we can learn. So with no hand, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like a wine? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'ma get big with keep it. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla down, run through $1 million. I rock with a million, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. SEC wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound, I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing.
Why y'all worry about the fuck I do? I'ma let y'all know when the fuck I'm through. Like, they like the way I grind.
Oh, thank you. Oh, really appreciate that. Thanks.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me.
अरे खुद बनाऊं खुद बिगाड़ूं मेरी जिंदगी मेरे लोचे आई डोंट केयर ब्रो कोई मेरे बारे में क्या सोचे
I'll do 8. Okay. I'll go for 8. Okay. Come on, 6. What are you?
Come on, I'm almost done.
What?
I'm almost finished.
One more. One more. This is one I signed up for.
Thank you, Dory.
I'm leaving. Nope. Done. I hate it here. I hate it here.
I just love it when you help on my sets.
Stop talking. This is why you can't full stack.
When I try to do a lat spread, I just can't seem to like fully get the full shape of my lats.
Alright, hopefully this video helped this kid, but here is how to do a lat spread. So when you're doing a lat spread, you want to imagine that you're doing a seated close grip cable row. So we're going to start with our arms out front. We're going to begin the lat spread by retracting our shoulder blades, so pinching them together, and push your shoulders down as far as they can go while still keeping them pinched. At this point, we're going to continue on with our row by pulling our elbows back as far as they can go. We're then going to get our thumbs, hook them underneath the bottom of your rib cage. So don't put it on your hips, don't put it on your waist. Feel along your back to find wherever your rib cage ends. So once you find that, you're going to place your thumbs there, and then all we're going to do is keeping the shoulders depressed. We're going to bring the elbows forward. All right, and then at the end of the lat spread, if you want to, you can also shrug your shoulders a bit and stick out your chest to accentuate the V-taper.
Alright, can you guys help me? To see how I spread my lats like this with my arms to my side, I can like fully spread my lats. My lats actually do not look half bad. See, but then whenever I put my hands on my hips and I try to do a lat spread, I just can't seem to like fully get the full shape of my lats. Can y'all please help me on how to flex?
They stare cause they know I'm the ITGI. I'm black and I'm proud.
If you don't feel like going to the gym, my best advice would be go to the gym because nobody asks how you feel.
Would you want to do the Tower of Terror? Okay. I saw this TikTok of another girl doing this.
But the OG Tower of Terror occurs on the leg extension.
But basically you start at the highest weight where you can only do 3 reps, and then every set you're going to drop it down just one weight until you get all the way down to 0, and then repeat 3 times.
Hey, repeat?
Yeah.
I didn't know that part.
So let's do it.
Oh god, I regret this.
I'm trying to scrub it up, my outfit red and black like a lady.
They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes.
Ex, a la hora que vas al gym es muy lleno. Yo no para nada.
Papi, súbeme la mini y me pongo más caliente si me ves moviendo el booty booty. Papi, yo sé lo que quieres, muchos te lo mueven y tú quieres de esta shorty shorty.
Devuélvanme mi banquito.
Me gustan todas las nenas. Me gustan blanca y morena. Me gustan gorda y flaquita. Me gustan todas toditas. Lo mejor es que son únicas, cada una suma.
Como treinar pra ter um shape em V e ficar com um físico mais estético. Não esquece de me seguir e deixar um comentário aí no vídeo pra mais conteúdo. Começando pelas costas, é um músculo que você deve priorizar bastante se você quer ter um shape em V, priorizando puxadas, remadas e até acessórios, enfatizando bem sua dorsal. Para o seu físico ficar mais harmônico, você tem que priorizar também ombros, especialmente elevação lateral, elas não podem faltar no seu treino. E você também tem que treinar peito, pra você ficar com aquele físico mais harmonioso e preenchido. Eu não preciso nem falar que você não pode pular o treino de perna, né?
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the week.
Where's my dick at?